I'm making this Let the Shenanigans Begin loaded soda kit today. Totally unhinged. Come with me. One of my friends is hosting a St. Patrick's Day party, and there's gonna be 20 kids. Yeah, 20 kids. So she asked if I could kind of come up with something that would be an activity and a party favor. So let's do this. I kind of have an idea already what I want to do. I kind of want to make it like a rainbow theme and St. Patrick's Day. So I got a bunch of stuff. We are going to kind of make it together and see what I can come up with. You already know we're starting with my favorite Amazon bag. And I have some green crinkle paper. Actually, this is like leftover from Easter last year, so it worked out perfectly. Let's add the Sprite. I know I want to use this cup, the one with the divider and the dome lid. And I'm thinking to put the rainbow cotton candy in the dome part, the separator. Let's try it. It smells amazing, but I should have known it wasn't going to be as bright and bold as a rainbow because it says rainbow sherbet. But I think it's going to be delicious, and I think it's going to work for what we need it for too. I mocked up some tags, Let the Shenanigans Begin, and then a how-to card. And I think the how-to card is going to be a little big, so I might have to resize that, but let's just try it out. It's super cute. It's a pinch-proof loaded soda. Oh yeah, it's way too big. All right, for now we're going to pretend it's the right size. I'm going to resize the tag post-production, but in the meantime, while I have the cup open, I have the mystery pack of edible glitter, which I think would be super, super cute, especially for kids. And it's kind of like tricky, like a tricky leprechaun too. Let's add that into the cup. Oh yeah, loving this so far. I want to mention that on the boba container, it says keep refrigerated after opening. So what I'll probably do is after I make this trial one, this mock-up, I'm going to portion everything out into the little cups and then just stick it in the fridge. And then when I deliver these right before the party, they'll still be fresh. Cute. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this right in on top of the can. I picked up this giganto pack of boba straws yesterday. And so I am going to take out the green ones and use these to stick it right in the back. All right, here is where we're at so far. And I have a really cute idea to use the rainbow sour strips, a marshmallow, and the mini swirl lollipops. So basically we're just gonna take the sour strips and fold them back and forth, and then screw it through a little bit. And we're gonna end up with 2 of the sour strips on here on 1 lollipop, and we're gonna finish it off with the cloud marshmallow. Oh my gosh, that is cute. Okay, I have these the little pretzel bags I like to use, so I'm probably gonna cut it down a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Is this so freaking cute or what? I only ended up cutting out, I don't know, 2 inches off the bottom of this. You probably don't even have to. All right, so this guy is gonna go in the front, so you can still see the how-to tag and the soda and everything else that's in here. And I think we only have one more step, which will be putting the tag on. And since I have absolutely zero chill, I put every single color of the rainbow on there, and this is gonna be the final.